Just being a woman is God's gift that all of us must appreciate. I think pageants like Birthing Naturally Queen gives us young women a platform to voice our choices and opinions and help us in realizing our potentials. I would like to thank Birthing Naturally Queen for inspiring workshop. I didn't only enjoy it but have tried to practice it and overcome all the mental health challenges which a new mother faces.
Hi everybody! Talking about my fantastic journey of Birthing Naturally Queen, this pageant has made me feel happy and love myself amidst all my motherhood duties. This pageant has taken my maternal mental health to a next beautiful level and made me believe that I am a multitasker. The task which I did made me feel how confident, versatile and beautiful I am, and I'm a mother who can also be creative and love herself forever. Finally, my mind, my hormones made me realize how happy I am today, and I believe I can maintain this happiness forever. Thank you, Birthing Naturally Queen.
The journey of Birthing Naturally Queen has been amazingly exciting, full of surprises and inspiring. It came as a great welcome change amidst the gloominess of the pandemic. It helped enrich my journey of motherhood with beautiful memories, new friends, awareness about maternal mental health and self-actualization as a strong and confident mother. We really enjoyed performing all the tasks. I said we because my husband and I looked forward to each task as a couple activity, which has also brought us closer together as a couple. This pageant has boosted my happy hormones and has given a beautiful glow of happiness on my face and in my life. Thank you.
The Birthing Naturally Queen pageant has come into my life during my postpartum period, due to which it has helped me immensely. Also, obviously, this pageant has helped us increase the happy hormones, and we all the mommies who are selling the same boat, we have come across all together, and I have made many friends, which is a very nice thing. Thank you.
Birthing Naturally Queen has really lived up to its title for me, as I felt no lesser than a queen who's been recognized and celebrated as a mom. Connecting with moms all across the world, seeking help, sharing experiences did help in boosting happy hormones. So thank you Dr. Mahima Bakshi once again for making me a part of this online pageant, and I am going to miss this big time once the finale is over.
Hello everyone. For me, Birthing Naturally Queen has been a wonderful journey that brought love, encouragement and empowered me to be myself while enjoying motherhood. It has been educational and transformational that has shaped up my mental health, and I realized anything is possible with a strong mind and self-belief. I am very grateful to the mentors whose inspirational talks have helped me to rediscover myself, and I am loving this beautiful change in me.
wonderful experience to be the part of this Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1. This is the first time I'm participating in any of the pageants, so I have learned a lot from the other new moms in the industry at sport. This pageant has helped me to look attractive from outside and strong and confident from inside. And also I've got a lot of new friends who are actually my support system in this beautiful motherhood journey. And the tasks that are really very exciting and the enjoyable one. So it was really difficult to take out some me time out of the busy schedule. So because of that, we are able to do that. So I would say like there is definitely a feel-good factor and some positive emotions that are flowing in. And I really feel happy and healthy to be the part of this Birthing Naturally Queen Season 1. Thank you.
Thanks to Mahima ma'am and the entire team to have come up with such a beautiful and creative idea to empower women even in such difficult times. It has been a blessing in my pregnancy journey. It has given me all the more reasons to celebrate and cherish my pregnancy journey throughout the lifetime. It has given me a lot of confidence, and through the experience of different moms, I have got a lot of information which has been very helpful. All the workshops and the guidance of export has made me even more informed, and I have realized the importance of mental health and how one can keep a balance between their own life and the parenthood.
My experience with Birthing Naturally Queen has been absolutely phenomenal, and it has definitely added more colors to my pregnancy journey. Also, it has allowed me to be more graceful because of its indulging activities, and it has made me discover myself in a very better and nice way. The workshops were designed and structured in such a way that it helped me embrace my motherhood. I am very sure that it has helped other moms also embrace their motherhood, no matter at what stage they are in their journey.
It helped me, boosting my confidence, which I lost it long back after becoming a mother. So now I'm just getting out of it and just feeling like, yeah, even I can look good and all. So thank you so much. Workshop literally helped us a lot, in many ways, in many fields, especially for the mothers, grooming part and everything, the mental peace and everything. So thank you so much for the workshop. Coming to the task, it's not a task, I believe. It's a fun. It's like whatever task we are just getting it. It's something like what we were previously, and now we can also be. Now also we can be. So this is a fun. I will not take as a task, but it's a fun. I can go for shopping. I can complete my task. So I'm just again feeling like I'm just coming back to my life. So thank you so much again.
Pageant with passion and purpose, but it has given me the vision of influencing other mothers and thus giving a quality contribution to society. All the given tasks were so adventurous and thrilling. It made me explore my hidden talents, and family support during the task was so gratifying. Yes, there has been a spurt of happy hormones, uplifting my confidence, self-reliance, and belief in myself as a mother, as a woman, and as an individual. Thank you.
Yes, I'm really enjoying my experience of birthing naturally. It's very unique and a great experience. I really enjoy wearing makeup in this COVID time when generally you are so underdressed, getting ready for the workshop, so loving it all. So, birthing naturally has helped me to challenge myself as I have never been a part of any beauty pageant. I've mostly been very ambitious, goal oriented sort of a person. So, apart from being a mother, this experience is also very new to me, and each day I'm learning from all the mothers, from Dr. Mahima, and from all the workshops. So, it has helped me in many ways and learn a lot of new things. Yes, just loving the workshops and the tasks. Definitely, it's boosting my happy hormones. I am a happier person and a happier mother after being a part of this pageant. Definitely.
Workshops really helped me with my self-confidence. I really enjoyed doing the task. It was wonderful recollecting the memories of my pregnancy. Making videos, clicking photos, and dressing up is always fun, isn't it? My husband pampered a lot throughout my pregnancy. My family was also very supportive and caring during that phase of my life. I had this beautiful glow on my face, and so there were only happy hormones. Thank you.
My journey with this pageant has left me spellbound. It has filled me up with a lot of confidence and energy during the exhausting third trimester. B&U truly abides by its tagline, just spreading smiles from pregnancy to motherhood, and it really helped me to be cheerful and happy during these COVID times where we all are left alone. I feel the experts of these workshops were virtuoso in their own field. Their knowledge is already helping me to undergo this beautiful journey of motherhood. The tasks were creatively framed, which used to keep me engaged all the time and keep my tiredness and worries at the bay. The contest commenced as soon as I registered for it, and Dr. Mahima used to post many updates regarding the workshops and the tasks, which used to boost my happy hormones effectively. Thank you.
We mother and baby, we are two blossoms on same branch, and so it is very important for mother to maintain their proper maternal mental health. And as for me, it helped me to ease into motherhood with more confidence and lots of support. Doing tasks was quite amusing and reviving. It made me believe that we mothers, we are powerful source of creativity and we are such a multitasker. Of course, it helped me to boost my happy hormones, and we mothers, we are real wonder women, and this dynamic nature of us make us a perfect title holder. Thank you, Birthing Naturally Queen. Lots of love.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Neha Nanapit. Birthing Naturally Queen is one of the unique and beautiful experience of my life. It gave me reason to celebrate my motherhood journey every single day. It helped me to stabilize emotionally. During this miserable phase of pandemic, Birthing Naturally Queen is truly successful in spreading smile from pregnancy to motherhood. It gives a strong message that maternal mental health plays a vital role in keeping her and her family happy. All the activities were full of joy and fun. Not only me, but my 6-year-old daughter Avni and my entire family enjoyed it. It boosts the positive hormones in me and kept me happy, active, and engaged throughout the day. I wish Birthing Naturally Queen to grow higher and achieve all the success in future. Thank you.
I had a couple of pageants before this, and this one is definitely special for me because I'm to be a mom. So instead of showing the figure or your skin tone or your body, it's lovely feeling to flaunt with your baby bump, and I'm so happy for that. Thank you so much, Birthing Naturally Queen pageant, to give me such an extremely awesome experience. I'm loving the workshops, I'm loving the tasks, so I'm really happy. My happy hormones are at the extreme level. I'm so happy by doing all these tasks, so thank you so much, this pageant. Thank you so much, Doc.
जिंदगी के कुछ पल बहुत ही खूबसूरत और बहुत ही यादगार होते हैं। मेरे लिए ये वक्त बर्थिंग नेचुरली क्वीन पैजेंट का है। इस पैजेंट ने मुझे यह एहसास दिलाया कि मैं खास हूँ, बेहतरीन हूँ और मुझे खुद पर फिर से यकीन करना सिखाया। इस पैजेंट के दौरान जो चीजें हमने की, उस वजह से मैंने खुद को फिर से संवारना सीखा और खुद के लिए समय निकालना भी सीखा। इन सारी खूबसूरत बातों की वजह से हर माता के हैप्पी हार्मोन्स बढ़ जाते हैं, जो उसके मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं। थैंक यू बर्थिंग नेचुरली क्वीन।
Hi everyone. Talking about my Birthing Naturally Queen journey, Birthing Naturally Queen was not just a pageant. It was a ray of hope in these dark pandemic times. It was a beautiful journey of transformation that made me realize that motherhood may be hard and challenging, but a mother is even harder and, in short, the strongest. It helped me realize my true worth and made me see, value, and treasure the precious crown I wear as a mother. Loved all my tasks. I absolutely looked forward for that magical Saturday when I had to complete my tasks. They acted as a stress buster and reminded me of that me time of the week. I looked forward for all my tasks. They boosted those happy hormones in me which screamed from within, yes, you are beautiful. Yes, you are precious. Yes, you are a mother. Thank you, Birthing Naturally Queen.
The tasks of this pageant is really entertaining and engaging. It helps me to reduce my postpartum depression and anxiety. I'm really enjoying all the tasks here. Birthing Naturally Queen, now it's a way of living for me. Every day I learn something new from the other contestants and from the host. It helps me to grow more and more, and I'm